Hi, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Today I'm in Hawthorne Hills. This is September 21st and I'm on Jessica's lawn. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And Jessica has some problems going on here. This is her parking strip. So I've aerated, seeded, and fertilized her whole property. And but in this area here, it does not have an irrigation system, and it's a clay-based soil, and the lawn is just getting tired. So what I've done is I put on a soil amendment here on this parking strip and on a couple of the other parking strips too. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time, take a look at it, and just see how this looks. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. And the reason I'm trying this is that soil amendment has just worked wonders on many, many lawns. And I'm just trying to repair that spot right there for my client. This is Stuart, Aerating-Thatching company, LawnTuneUps.com. Thanks, bye. Hello, my name's Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is October 11th. And today I'm on Jessica's lawn. I'm just checking out the repairs I did for her parking strip. She had a whole bunch of gaps there, and I aerated, seeded, and fertilized, and put on some amendment on her parking strips. So I'm going to show her parking strips here, how nice they came back. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.